It was the dream of Shri Om Prakash Jindal that laid the foundation of the $12 billion Jindal Group, a name that in the last 5 decades has become one of India's most dynamic and respected organizations. Shri O.P. Jindal's monumental journey began in a small village in Haryana. A farmer's son with technology on his mind, it was a small incident that changed the course of his destiny. One day, he found a pipe that had "Made in England" written on it. These 3 words compelled Shri O.P. Jindal to think, why couldn't these pipes be manufactured in India? With just a little experience in trading in steel and no formal training in engineering, Shri O.P. Jindal started a pipe unit in 1952 with an investment of only 42,000 rupees.
क्योंकि जिंदल साहब असल में इंजीनियर नहीं थे, लेकिन इंजीनियर से भी ज़्यादा उनको अनुभव था.
All the machinery for the unit was indigenously developed by Shri O.P. Jindal himself.
मैं ऐसा जी मिस्त्री जो है ना, कारीगर, जो प्रैक्टिकल कारीगर है, मैं उसकी राय ज़्यादा मानता हूँ, इंजीनियर की कम मानता हूँ. जिसने हाथ से काम किया है 10 साल 5 साल है, तो उनको बिठा लेता हूँ मैं.
A visionary par excellence, Shri O.P. Jindal laid the foundation of his memorable journey with a single unit plant in Hisar and followed it with Jindal Strips Limited. This was just the beginning of a company that has today transformed into a multi-product global steel conglomerate with business interests across mining coal, iron and chrome ore, production of sponge iron, ferroalloys, high-grade pipes, stainless steel, galvanized steel, a wide range of hot and cold rolled steel products and power generation. Spreading Shri O.P. Jindal's vision to every corner of the world are his 4 sons, Shri Prithvi Raj Jindal, Shri Sajjan Jindal, Shri Ratan Jindal and Shri Naveen Jindal.
शुरू से उनका ये होता था कि मेरा परिवार जो है आपस में मिलकर प्यार से रहे, और मेरी कोशिश यही है कि मैं उनके परिवार को, अपने परिवार को प्यार से इकट्ठा रखूं.
Fueled by the passion of their father, the 4 pillars stand united to make the Jindal Group the best in the business by building on their core strengths.
Babuji always were very particular about one thing, that people who are working for him, they are part of his family.
Pioneering the production of submerged arc welded pipes in India, Shri Prithvi Raj Jindal's able leadership has seen the company grow from strength to strength, providing total pipe solutions across a wide array of sectors: energy, water and sewage transportation, and industrial application. A perfectionist to the core, Shri Prithvi Raj Jindal's sharp business acumen, coupled with a futuristic vision, has made Jindal SAW Limited a global powerhouse and a dream destination for the youth and professionals in the country.
He has actually set new standards of management. It is absolutely very different from a typical IAM style of management. He actually, one can write a full book thesis on his style of management.
Heading the world's largest Corex-based integrated steel plant, Shri Sajjan Jindal moved to Mumbai to look after the Western region operations of the O.P. Jindal Group in 1983. The Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2007 not only believes but also contributes towards India's real challenge that lies in pursuing the path of inclusive growth. Bestowed with numerous international honors such as the 19th Willie Calf Ken Iverson Steel Vision Award in 2009, it was under Shri Sajjan Jindal's able leadership that JSW has become India's 3rd largest steel producer.
He's been very focused, so that's how I think all 4 brothers are very focused in our areas of businesses.
Shri Ratan Jindal's devotion has transformed JSL into India's largest producer of stainless steel. Deeply committed to his father's social vision, Shri Ratan Jindal takes keen interest in CSR and community welfare initiatives such as Jindal Institute of Medical Sciences, JSL Foundation, O.P. Jindal Engineering and Management Scholarships, Vidya Devi School and the O.P. Jindal Modern School. Shri Ratan Jindal was instrumental in setting up the Jindal Stainless Design Centre for promoting special applications of stainless steel in world-class lifestyle and value-added products, as well as architecture, building and construction sectors.
I could only do it because I knew, he was there guiding me. He was, he was the inspiration. I took all the courage from him because he's always taught us that, okay, we should never we should always fight against injustice, and it could be anybody.
The man who was instrumental in securing every Indian the right to fly the national flag with dignity, Shri Naveen Jindal, is much more than a businessman or a member of parliament. Revolutionizing JSPL from a moderately performing company into a powerhouse in the steel sector, Shri Naveen Jindal consolidated JSPL's position across steel, power, mining and infrastructure sectors. A national record holder in skeet shooting and a proficient polo player, Shri Naveen Jindal mirrors his father's ideology of following the best practices in business management and politics. More than mere excellence in business, each unit of the group is driven by a socially conscious corporate philosophy that is inspired by Shri O.P. Jindal. He was a social reformer whose life's mission was to help the common man in every possible way.
अगर समाज सेवा करनी हो तो राजनीति से बढ़िया कोई माध्यम नहीं है.
A confidant and companion of Shri O.P. Jindal, Srimati Savitri Jindal is much more than the chairperson of the $12 billion Jindal Group. The former Minister of State for Revenue and Housing in the Haryana government, Srimati Savitri Jindal is acknowledged and widely appreciated by senior politicians and the media for her relentless efforts in her constituency and society. Despite being the richest Indian woman as per the Forbes World Billionaires List 2010, she ranks as number 6 in India and number 44 globally. She still remains her simple self. Srimati Savitri Jindal continues to be the torchbearer who inspires the group to uphold Shri O.P. Jindal's values of inclusive growth and social reforms.
इस हार की जनता तो जिंदल साहब को बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करती थी और प्यार करती रहेगी. तो मैं भी जो सपने जिंदल साहब ने देखे थे उन्हीं को पूरा करने में लगी हुई हूँ.
Choosing remote areas to set up industry, Shri O.P. Jindal adopted a large number of villages and contributed to the development of the region in a more holistic way. Jindal industrial townships have health and education facilities, not only for employees, but also people living in nearby areas. It is this very vision of Shri O.P. Jindal that lives on in the form of superior services being provided by hospitals, schools, charitable trusts, foundations, and numerous other philanthropic endeavors. A life that trailblazed the nation's industrial growth. A life that exemplified growth for everyone. An inspiration not only for the group, but the entire society. Shri O.P. Jindal's life realized a dream that enriches the lives of millions across the globe.